Hi, welcome to Algoine. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your income on Algoine. First, let's define withdrawable income. There are two types of withdrawable income in our system. 1. Referral income, which is 20% of the payments made by users who sign up on Algoine using your referral link. 2. Strategy commissions, which are the commissions you earn when users make a profit on the strategies you rented out to them. You set the commission rate when creating the strategy. Your income from these two sources is compiled at the end of each month and added to your withdrawable income balance. You can then create a withdrawal request on the withdrawal page. You can withdraw to your crypto wallet as cash or to your Algoine wallet as a balance. Withdrawals to your Algoine wallet are processed instantly and you get 20% extra. Cash withdrawals to your crypto wallet are collected until the 15th of each month and then sent between the 15th and 22nd of the month. You can track the status of your withdrawal request in the Withdrawal History section. To make a cash withdrawal request, you must first add your USDT wallet on the TRC20 network to your profile settings. I hope I was able to explain it well. Thank you for watching.